everybody, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Mike, aka North Established, and in this video we're gonna do a little bit of long exposure night photography with the Canon M50. Yes, we're gonna see how good the Canon M50 is when it comes to doing long exposure photography shots. And in this video I'm going to be going alongside the Manhattan Bridge. There's I'll say like 3 parts of the bridge where we're gonna go and experiment, see how we can get some long exposure photography, primarily some light trails from vehicles, and we're gonna see how well the Canon M50 performs when it comes to doing long exposure at night. My lens of choice is gonna be the Sigma 30mm with the f-stop of 1.4, but obviously I'm not gonna be using 1.4 in this example because that's kind of redundant for long exposure photography. You're gonna see why. You're gonna see why. If you guys have the M50 and you guys are wondering how to do long exposure photography with a body like the M50, so yeah, here we go. Enjoy it. Oh, also, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I make videos every single week, and if you guys like the content, like the video, so the YouTube gods can recommend, I don't know, this video to somebody else who will want to see it. All right, cool, awesome. Let's get to it. Alright, now we are on the Manhattan Bridge. I'm going to have to pause here and there because the train to my right is going to be annoying. And our first stop for long exposure photography is going to be right here. Yep, got constant traffic here. And we do have our tripod with us. This is very important to have because you don't want to have any motion when you're taking long exposure photography. I will explain that here in a second. But first things first, let us get set up. All right, cool. So we're all set up here. Just get over here. There we go. We're all set up. Now my settings are at, my aperture is at 8.0, ISO is at 100. And I have my shutter at 1/6 of a second, so you may have to drag it down all the way down for the M50, but we're gonna take a photo, see how it looks after this train comes by. Hold on. That is very annoying. Got ready for the train. All right, as you see, the camera has to stay completely still for this to work. So I'm gonna take the photo. It's busy. All right, let's see how that looks. Oh, that doesn't look too bad actually. That's not too bad. Let's take one more. Alright, that's not terrible. The only thing is that I'm not getting much motion over on this side where the red lights are. So we're gonna move further down to see if we can get a better scene. Alright, that was okay. Wasn't a little optimistic about the last shots, but we have 2 more spots to go to. Hopefully we get some better shots, because you want to see how well the Canon M50 performs in low light situations for when you're doing long exposure photography. Yep, but you know, you gotta be optimistic. I'm willing to solve this problem, and yeah, let's see if we can get some good shots. Alright, we're at a new location. This one's a pretty common spot for most photographers, so I'm pretty sure you've seen this everywhere. Alright, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna keep our f-stop at 8 and ISO 100, and we're gonna do a 1/100 of a second. Let's see. Step back. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad actually. That's not terrible. Let's actually go a little lower. Alright, here we go. We're gonna try one more time. Now we got traffic flowing. Let's get this shot. Hopefully it's good. Step back. Alright, let's see. Oh, that's actually not terrible. That's actually really good. Let's take one more. One for good luck. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. All right, let's check out one more location. All right, we're at one more location. Let's use this as depth. Honestly, let's go up here. Yeah, about 1/3 of a second. It'll stop about 8. Let's go wait for some cars to come by. Alright. Alright, cool. We're about to get some cars come in. Here we go. And it's gonna go. Do another one. Let's see how that looks. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. That was a good one. That is a good one. I like that. That's pretty dope. I like that. All right, now let's get back to the studio. All right, guys, we are back in the studio. Oh man, that was a great shot, great session out there. Yeah, honestly, I would say the M50, in my honest opinion, it does a really good job when it comes to capturing long exposure shots and light trails. It's not excellent, you know, it's not great, but it gets the job done. And if you guys take the notes of during the session, like, just see what my settings were, and if you guys apply it to your own photography, you guys would do great. I would say honestly, just experiment a little bit when it comes to doing long exposure with the M50, because it could be a bit tricky, but as long as you guys remember to always try to keep your ISO as low as possible, and I would say keep your shutter around like 1/5 to 20th of a second, and then I'll say your aperture around like f6 to f11, depending on the max amount that your f-stop can go. But I would recommend f6 to 11, honestly. But with that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and comment down below. Like this video. And also, if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. I upload every single week. And always just remember just to be yourself and just create. I'm Mike. I'm out. Peace.